What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds, where I have the final video of my 2009 Mercedes S65 AMG. This is a car that would have cost you around $250,000 back in 2009, and today you can buy one of these for about $28,000. Now, this car is pretty dang clean considering it has 120,000 miles on the odometer. I just had this car professionally detailed inside and out. Carpets have been steam cleaned. It has a ceramic coating on it as well. I mean, she's a looker, guys. This is a car that people are going to notice you when you roll up. This is a car I should take home tonight and take to the casino. I'm trying to win some money, guys. I need some money. Soft closed doors work. Check that out. This is a nice feature of S-Class Mercedes. There we go. It helps if you close the door all the way to where it needs to be. There it is, and it pulls itself shut. I absolutely love that feature. And I am not entirely certain about this, but I think this is a Designo interior. You guys can comment below and tell me if I'm wrong, but it's got that diamond stitch pattern on the seats and on the doors. Twin turbo V12. Yes, twin turbo V12. Why? Because they could. Because why not? Why not? If you were Mercedes and you could make a twin turbo V12, wouldn't you? Yes, all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Let me pop the hood so you can see this beast. Although there's not much really to see under the hood of this car. It's mostly covered up. It's unfortunate. I did just have it detailed. I'm driving it over here in gravel. We've got nothing out here that has paved roads or like a parking lot where I could show this car, like nothing. Now, the engine is a little bit dirty. I'm not big on cleaning. They would have cleaned the engine bay for me if I had asked, but I'll come through here before the car goes, and I will wipe it down gently with a rag and some spray. I don't want anything pressure washed under here because there are these coil packs and modules that sit under here, and I learned from experience what happens when you pressure wash them. It costs you a lot of money. So never, ever, ever pressure wash the underside of one of these. But there it is. This thing's like 600 and something horsepower, right around 700 pound-feet of torque. It's absolutely incredible. This car also has night vision, which is another one of my favorite features of this car. It's really it's a gimmick, if I'm being completely honest. I don't even want to step in this car. Look how clean this thing is. I mean, it's immaculate. You've got the double sunroofs right here as well. This is an executive style car, guys. This is something that just feels expensive. And you know what? My other favorite thing about this car is when you fire it up, the sound that it makes. It's the sound only a V12 is going to make. Ready? I hope that came out, man. That ring, I mean, it is just, oh, it is so nice. Oh, let's turn on that air conditioning. There we go. It's actually a little warm today, guys, especially in the car. It's about 70 degrees outside. These guys did such a great job detailing this car. I'm very, very happy with it. It's going to get a little dirty from sitting around for the next couple weeks before it goes to its new home. But I'll make sure to, spritz it down and make it look decent. Let me get buckled up and we'll take her on a little drive. Now I'm going to try to be real gentle. This thing, especially on loose ground like this, will light those tires up. All right. I'm going to bring this thing back freshly after being detailed. It's going to look like it went through a mud hole. Let's be ginger with it. There we go. Now, oh, wow. When those turbos kick in, it's an experience. It is a ride, man. It is an absolute ride. I love Mercedes. I really do. And now I'm thinking, since this one's going to be gone soon, I ought to buy another one, you know? I don't know what. I've had several S63s. This is my first S65. However, I did just find, not too far away from me, another S65 AMG with about 90,000 miles on the odometer, and that one could be the replacement for this. There's really nothing quite like having 600 plus horsepower under your right foot. What's crazy is how quiet the car is. This is a very refined and sophisticated car. You can stomp on it, and there we go. I'm stomping on it, man, and it's unleashing the fury. But you'd almost never know, right? And there's the, I forgot about those. Oh, man. It's got those adaptive bolsters in the seats. So when you hit the throttle good and you're going around a corner nice and hard, the seats catch you. It's like it just wraps its arms around you and says, oh, hold on, I got you. That's what it's like. The seats are like, I got you. It makes you feel so confident because the seats hold you in place no matter what you do. And don't forget, this car also has another one of my favorite features, massaging. I can drive down the road and get a back rub. Let me tell you something. You ever had a really bad day at work, like you're just really pissed off at the world? You know, it's like, it's one of those days and you're on the road and you're just ready to, you know, go off. Let's just say that. You're just ready to go off on everyone. Listen, get into your Mercedes-Benz and have it give you a back massage while you're driving home. It makes traffic seem insignificant. It makes your bad day go away. I'm telling you, a good back rub can fix the world. Today is an incredibly windy day, and this thing is not getting blown down the road at all. And the alignment is one of the best alignments I've ever seen in a car. Like, this thing will go, as long as the road continues straight, you point this thing in a direction and she just goes. No questions asked. Oh my goodness, what is this? A tent city? Oh, wow. Okay, sorry guys, I ain't used to seeing that in Oklahoma. Oh my goodness, what is going on out there? Literally, they got tents, RVs, campers, all kinds of stuff set up out there. Anyway, we're taking this car on one last drive. Number one, for those of you that maybe didn't see the car before, you get some fresh eyes on it. Number two, because the car is going down the road. It is the end, ladies and gentlemen. We are giving this car away to some lucky individual that enters to win at www.fanathem.com/AAR. All you got to do is buy a keychain or a coffee mug or a digital download photo of this car, and you are entered to win. It's that simple. It's all you got to do. But if you're going to do it, you got to do it now, because the deadline is February 18th at like 11:59 p.m. All right, so get in now, because you're not going to have another opportunity to get in on this car. And let me tell you something, it doesn't matter if you're driving around in the city with crappy roads, or if you're driving around in the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma with, well, crappy roads. This car just feels better. I've got so many cars. I have driven thousands of cars in my day, guys, and there's nothing like a Mercedes. Yes, I've had BMWs. BMWs are, you know, they're all right. I had an M5, and I've had a bunch of big body BMWs, but my heart is with Mercedes. It just is. Some people disagree, and that is perfectly fine, but I'm telling you, my own experience tells me that nothing out here rides and drives like a Mercedes-Benz, especially when you start getting into the big body. You start getting into the S-classes, man, and it's a whole different world. This car is a 2009, all right? This is getting a little old, a little long in the tooth, right? Most cars would be completely outdated by now. Not this car. Not this car. Today, all these years later, this car is still very relevant. The tech is still relatively good. Radar cruise control. It's got adaptive cruise. Guys, heated, cooled seats, massaging seats, Alcantara, dual moonroofs, active body control suspension, hydraulically controlled suspension, and a twin-turbo V12 that's over 600 horsepower. I mean, other than other Mercedes and electric cars, what exactly can you compare this to today? And this, again, is a 2009. All right, I'm turning around, I'm heading home. A car like this inspires driving. It really does. It makes you want to get out and drive and just see what's out there, enjoy the scenery. I could talk about this car probably forever, but then you guys probably wouldn't watch my videos anymore. I'm just trying to tell you that I wouldn't give away a car that I did not love and enjoy myself. If it was a car that I didn't like or couldn't stand, I wouldn't give it to somebody else. I wouldn't be like, here, you take it. No, man, the only cars that are ever gonna come to this channel as giveaway cars are gonna be ones that I really love, appreciate, and enjoy myself, because I know that if you enter to win this car, you will also love, appreciate, and enjoy it. Or maybe you'll just sell it. Either way, it's your car at that point. You do whatever you want to do with it, man. With that, guys, I think I'm just gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna enjoy my little trip back to the house. I got a little ways to go. I actually drove a lot further than I intended to. Again, it was not intentional. I hit the road, and once I started driving, it was like, let's see where the road takes us. And then I was like, wait a minute, I have work to do. I have to get home. I've got people at the house waiting for me, so I got to get back. Otherwise, I would have kept on going down this road. So once again, if you're interested in getting yourself a beautiful twin-turbo S65 AMG, well, take this opportunity and enter to win at www.fanathem.com, FANATHEM.com/AAR. Get yourself a cool piece of limited edition merchandise that's exclusive to this vehicle and enter yourself for a chance to win an amazing piece of German engineering. And make all your friends jealous. Trust me. Trust me. And everybody else on the road. People see this car that's just, and then they hear it. It gets up to speed so fast. This car is incredible. And the speedometer goes to 220 miles an hour. Now, I'm not saying the car does 220 miles an hour. Just saying the speedometer goes up to 220 miles an hour. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my videos. If you enjoy the content, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. Links to everything directly below this video. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.